Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back again with another video. And guys, this time I want to share these with you guys. Was the Capn Crunch Christmas Crunch cereal review, guys. I want the limited edition, as you can see right here. And I just wanted to share them with you guys and see if y'all seen them before, or y'all had them before. But anyway, guys, we're gonna give them a taste, see what they taste like, and get a good look at that box, man. Limited edition. Check it out. Capn Crunch Christmas Crunch. Alright, guys, jump into it, see what you're tasting like. That's what it look like right here, guys. Y'all know I don't like a lot of milk, so we'll get them cereal wet as I can get them. Not a big fan of milk. Okay, guys, let's give them a bite. Let's see if how they taste. Okay, here we go. Okay. Guys, these are pretty good. They remind me a lot of the Captain Crunch Berry. About basically the same cereal. Let's give it a different shape. But yeah, these are really good, guys. And I think this box costs $3 at your food line. And which is not bad. It tastes pretty good. Tastes really good, guys. I think you guys should try them out. Y'all get a chance, go to your food line and try this box of cereal out, because they are really good. Okay, guys, get another bite. Okay, here we go. Yeah, guys, these are real delicious. Cool looking box also. That's why I want to bring them to you guys. Like I said, I got to give these a 5-star. These are really good, guys. Head out to your food line, pick these up, and guys, you probably want to do a little review on them, give your take, especially on this cool looking box. And it's also a limited edition, so you probably only be able to get these around Christmas time. So there you have it, man. These are good. 5 stars, guys. Recommend you try them out and see how you guys like them. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Guys, take care. Try these cereal now. Go try them out. Limited edition. And I'll see you guys on the next video. See you.